everyone, Leslie here, my YouTube channel. I really thank you for coming to watch me do the tutorial to another bar song. The music is by Shabuzi called Cowgirl, and the choreographers are Sierra Gill and Dustin Valcalder. It is a beginner 32 count 4-wall dance, a little fast, so you might have to use that little cog at the bottom of the screen to adjust the speed. If you press it, you'll see you can change the speed, make it a little bit slower. All right, so without any more hesitation, let's get going. We start on the left foot, we point the right foot out to the side, bring it back in, step it out to the side, tap the left in, and then do a step together, to the left, step together. One more time, we go out, in, side, tap, step, together, step, tap. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going on, second set of 8. We do 2 heel togethers. And it's a heel together. Now we're going to do a box step with a quarter of a turn. Cross, box, and forwards. That's the next 8 counts. Let me count it for you. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going on, beginning of the third set of 8, it's like a letter K. We go up and clap, and we come back on the left and clap. We go back a little bit on the right and clap, and then we basically almost step side and together. From those 8 counts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why are we putting our feet together? Because the next set of 8 starts with a, I call it a Dorothy. It's a heel, open and close. So we are going to go open and close. We're going to step forward on the right, tap the left in, point the left out, bring it in, and then do with the left a step together. So from those heels, I'll do it slightly on the diagonal so you can see it, but I'm actually supposed to be facing 3. So we have open, close, forward, tap, point, tap, step together. Counts on that, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we start the whole dance again here on wall 3. Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and in, step and touch, step together, step, touch. Heel together, box, cross, back, side, front. Step up diagonal to the right, then the left, and then the right. And a step, bring it together, up, switch your heels, a step and a tap, point, in, step, tap. With the counts, here we go. I'll go a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do wall 2. I'll say it slowly, and I won't stop, we'll just keep going. So we are going to go right foot, point and in, step side and tap, step together, step, tap. Right heel together, left heel together, right cross, back, side, front. That's your box. Step and tap, back and tap, together and tap, heel together, forward and tap, point and in and step, tap. All right, wall 3, facing 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Point and close and step and tap, step together, step, tap. Heel, box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot up, left back, right back, and step, together. Dorothy, step, tap, out, in, step, together. Now let's do the last wall, our 4-4. Here we go. 5, 6. I'll do the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. So, I hope, don't forget you can pause it anytime you want and go over. Anyway, so I have done the demo to that. I'm going to upload this now and then I'll just put some thumbnails on them and they'll be ready. So, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please subscribe, if you like it, of course. And if you do like it, press like. And if you want to make a comment, I'd love that. Anyway, I think that's it. So it's Dance with Anne Leslie. And I'll see you soon on the next video. Have fun. Bye.